Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can favorite skins on Valorant. This is new, so make sure you update that, like update your app. Go to your collection and you're just going to go to one of these skin. I'm just going to choose Prime Vandal, select the color and select the favorite, and then it'll be like your favorite skin. You can also favorite this, for instance, SOL, like Sentinels of Light Vandal. You can also favorite another skin. I'm just going to show you again. This also works with other skins, of course. I'm just going to favorite Phantom and Iron. And that is pretty much how you can favorite skins on Valorant. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!